In miniature model building, strength and stability matters just as much as looks. Today we will explore one of the simplest yet most effective ways to reinforce your structure: cross bracing. The X-shaped supports are used in everything from real-life bridges to high-rise buildings, and we can use the same principle to make our dollhouses, towers, and robotic frames. Let's see how it works and why it's a game changer for your model. So now I am going to create the X-shaped supports. I am going to draw 5 lines, okay, at 1 centimeter distance from each other. Okay, I'm going to cut the 5th one. Okay, I'm going to score the rest of my lines. Okay, now I can fold them easily, all of these lines, and I want 2 of these pieces. I will cut in the middle, almost in the middle. So I have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So I'm going to cut at 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here I want to cut. Okay, okay, so I have these 2 pieces and I can make simply 4-sided pillars with it, like this. Okay, these are both my 4-sided pillars. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of those. Okay, okay, and I am going to make here line. I'm just going to tell you what to do. Okay, so from these are 8 centimeters. So from bottom, this is my bottom. Just to tell you what is it, I am marking here on the 4th centimeter. Okay, I have marked these 2 lines of 1 centimeter. It can be a little up or down, doesn't matter. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have to cut 2 pieces. Okay, so what pieces I'm going to cut? I'm going to cut these 2 pieces. Okay, we had this 1 2 3 4 5, and I have to cut these 2 pieces. Okay, I'm just going to use my ruler. Okay, cut them a little bigger than 1 centimeter. Okay, and you can see I can take these two pieces out. Alright, so now I am going to fold this one into a pillar, and this pillar has a hole here. Okay, now I am going to glue it. And take the other pillar and glue it as well. Here we have. So what I want to do, I'm going to just put this one pillar into this square beam. Because this was a little bigger than 1 centimeter, it is going to fit inside. Okay, so you can see we have this X shaped here. My glue is not dried yet, but it's okay. So you can see I have made this X shape here. Okay, this is called X shape. Okay, and we use it like this. Okay, right, so this is one of the thing. This is X, and we are going to cut it as we can adjust it according to our structure we want to support. And if we want to cut it, make it balanced, because when we are putting here against something, let's say this paper, okay, you can see it is touching only these sides. So what we do, I will have to just mark here. Okay, here I can use the rulers. Okay, and I can cut it with my cutter or my scissors. I will have to just cut it straight. Same with the other side. Okay, so you can see now if I am putting here on the ground, they are fixing. I can adjust them as I require according to the shape of the building I am supporting, or this structure I want to support. If I am going to put it against here, you can see it is touching the ground as a full, just like a X. Okay, and that's how you can add strong, lightweight cross bracing to your miniature models. A small detail like this not only makes your project more durable, but also gives them a professional touch. In our next video, we will keep adding more real-world engineering tricks to our creative builds, so you can design like an engineer and think like an inventor.